Hello, welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Abna and I talk everything fragrance. And welcome once again to the Mancera Madness, the series where I'm going to review every single Mancera fragrance I have in my perfume collection. This series is not sponsored by any brand. I did purchase every single fragrance with my own hard-earned money, okay? Hence, I'm going to give you the raw, the unfiltered and the truth only. I'm going to tell you what I think 100% about each and every fragrance that I'll be bringing on board. This is Cedrat Boise and it comes in 120 ml. Let's do some atomizer check. This is beautiful and the cap is magnetic. The 120 ml on Mancera's website retails 135 pounds, which in USD is around 170, 180-ish, if I'm being right. And there's a 60 ml bottle as well, which also retails 85 pounds. Head notes, there's citrus from Sicily, there's blackcurrant, and then cold spices. Heart notes, there's aquatic jasmine, leaves of patchouli. And the base notes, we have woody notes, there's leather, there's oak moss, and then sensual vanilla. So let's spray this one here. Just forget about the aquatic jasmine and the cold spices in the notes. This to me is straight up a juicy tart lemon. Just a fresh pressed citrus with a little bit of blackcurrant. The leather and sandalwood is definitely in there. Not old jacket leather, more like a new luxury car interior. Smooth, slightly creamy, but still feels clean, super clean. About 2 hours into application, you start experiencing faded citrus, soft sandalwood, and a slightly hint of vanilla. No oak moss, no patchouli leaves, just easy, inoffensive, nice, clean scent. Sure, Mancera aquatic jasmine. I don't get any. There's no single day that I've experienced that aquatic jasmine, and I'll say I probably purchased this because of that jasmine note that I saw, and this was a blind buy. Let's talk about the most important thing when it comes to fragrances: performance. Longevity with this one, Cedrat Boise, is long lasting. This stuff right here, this juice in here does not quit on skin. It's gonna stay there for a very long time. This stuff here is just like that one guest who won't leave the party unless you drag them out. In a good way though, in a very clean, innocent, matured way. Projection, I will say this is not a beast mode, it's not the clubbing type of scent. First 2 hours you get an arm length of a projection. After that, the scent is just a soft bubble. Perfect definition of I smell expensive but not obnoxious. Sillage, I would say, is moderate. It's not a beast mode. Are you gonna get compliment with this one? Absolutely. But it's not the oh my god, you smell so sexy type of compliment, It's more like damn, you smell really good, that slow but sure compliment in a more, elegant way. The scent to me is simple, it's clean, and it's universally liked, A lot of people enjoy this fragrance. A lot of people love it. It's not a groundbreaking type of scent in my opinion, but it's really likable. When do you have to wear this fragrance and when do you have to avoid it? These are my rules. Just take it on a grain of salt. This will be perfect for the office. It smells professional, but it's not boring. Date or date night, it's safe, but it's not seductive. You can save this for brunch, but not the bedroom, please. It's not a bedroom scent. This is a year-round fragrance. You can just pick it any time of the year, any season at all, but I believe it will be better for summer and then spring. And you can also layer this with a more heavier scent, but I prefer to use it alone with no other scent. As I said earlier, this is not a club scent. If you wear this to the club, you are either a minimalist or you are lying about your personality. Is Cedrat Boise worth the amount it comes with? For a citrus and sandalwood punch, I think it's a bit expensive, but it's okay. The performance is elite. This isn't your 3 hours scent and then you have to reapply it again. It lasts for a very long time. I know you'll be asking about a cheaper alternative. Yes, there is a cheaper alternative for this. I'm going to choose the Mont Blanc Explorer, the EDP. The scent profile is more close to this, but it's a bit lighter, more thinner compared to Cedrat Boise. Genuine Man is also a close scent, but it's more harsh and more screechier compared to this one. Honestly, I'm gonna say this is the good luck zone. If only you can swallow the price and get yourself. It's always better getting the original, no matter what, regardless, you know. It's always better. If I'm asked to rate this fragrance, I'm gonna give it 7 out of 10 minus 1, just because of the price tag that comes with it. Will I recommend this fragrance? Absolutely yes. If you love your freshy, you know, citrus scent, I think you are really going to appreciate this one right here. Am I going to repurchase this scent after I run out? I don't think so. Besides, it's going to take me a long time to run out of this scent, and I love to explore more scent from other brands, so I don't think I'm going to make a repurchase of Cedrat Boise. Nevertheless, it's a beautiful scent, you know, well crafted scent, and I really like it. I've seen a lot of comparisons between this and Aventus. Let me tell you, this isn't an Aventus Killer. It's the Aventus for the people who don't want to explain Aventus. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. See you in the next episode. Bye.